Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can let Spotify create an automatic playlist that's similar to your previous playlist. Super simple. You are just going to right click on one of the playlists you want to kind of duplicate. For instance, I want another playlist that is Disney themed, but I want different songs on it. Right click on the playlist and you are going to select create similar playlist. Here it'll show you more songs from Disney, and it's going to create a similar playlist to the one you had. But I think with more songs, some of them will still be the same, but it's going to add more songs. You can also rename it if you want, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!